How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make a really tasty yellow courgette and onion bhaji. It's going to come with an incredible smoky mayo as well. Let's get to it. Now first we're going to start with the mayo. Get any of the classic mayo. We always go for Hellmann's in this house. It's our favourite. Add a little bit to your ramekin. This is a really simple recipe and it's a great dip for any occasion. You just want to add a little bit of your smoky paprika, not too much. Touch of lemon juice. Just a little bit of salt. That is literally it. Now mix this together and you'll notice it will have an incredible colour to it. Most simple ingredients ever, and look at the colour of that, and the flavour in this is going to be amazing. So now your smoky mayo is done, it's time to prepare your courgette. I let this one grow a little bit too long, I have to admit, so we're going to have to get rid of some of the seeds, but that's not a problem. Just cut it straight down the centre, so you have it in quarters. Really simply, just get the courgette like this, cut out all them seeds. So now you've taken most of the seeds out of your courgette, it's time to grate them. And you can add this straight to your bowl. Now we've got a courgette in the bowl. Time for the onion. I'm not going to grate the onion because it goes a bit mushy if you try grating it. So it might make you cry a little bit too. Just top and tail the onion, cut it straight in half. Because you still want to chop this nice and finely. Peel your onion, of course. So it's going to be as simple as finely slicing it like this. As fine as you can. That's how we done it. So now you want to add this onion into the bowl too. This is where all the other ingredients are going to go. Well, nearly all. So now you want to add your salt. Pepper. Cumin, garlic, a little bit of cayenne pepper, we all know how spicy that can be. Yeah, that's this ingredient ready to go. So you want to mix this all together. So now it's time to make a really tasty batter for these courgette onion bhajis. So these ingredients ready to go here. Now a trick to make really crispy batter with your self-raising flour, add a little bit of corn flour. Mix it in a little bit. Now turmeric powder is a really good one. Adds a great colour to your batter as well. The flavour goes really well with the courgette onion bhajis too. So add your water, whisking this in, and you want the consistency of double cream. You'll see what I'm talking about soon. The smell of that turmeric in there as well goes so great with these bhajis. So you don't want any lumps of flour in here. Make sure it's whisked up really nice and smooth. Once it's like this, it's time to go indoors to get this cooked. Now we don't want to mix any of these together just yet. I'll show you how to do it properly. So first add your oil to the pan and get some heat to it. Should take about 5 minutes to heat up. Good way to test is get a little bit of the onion, put it in, and if it starts fizzling away, you know it's ready. So you want to get a handful of the courgette and onion mixture, and then dip it in the batter, and then you put it straight in the oil. You can hear straight away this oil is hot enough. It's cooking away nicely. And this is exactly what we want. So yeah, keep going. We're gonna go for about 4 this time. And there'll be plenty more to do, a few more after this. Because they're so tasty, you're gonna want more. So once they're all in the pan frying away, just flip them once. That's all I need. Let them cook away. And once they go nice and golden brown, you can see, look how incredible these things are. So there you have it everyone, some really tasty courgette and onion bhajis with a smoky mayo dip. Now, I've got to try one of these first, because these look incredible. That colour on there. I'm not sure if you can hear that crunch, but it is there, and it is incredible. But yeah. Thanks for watching this one, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Really good if you have a few too many courgettes in the garden. But don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it. Comment down below if you have a few minutes. And subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.